Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can add Google reviews to your Canva website. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser and search for canva.com. After that, the official Canva website will open up. Make sure to sign into your account and all of your recent projects will be displayed. Now, open the website you created on your Canva account and edit it if you want. Once you are done with that, open another tab in your browser and search for our site. Open the first website that appears and sign into your account. After that, hover your cursor over the widgets embed at the top of the screen and select Google Reviews located under the Reviews tab. You will see various templates to choose from. Simply select any one of them and click on the Continue with this template button. Next, edit the Reviews widget to your liking. After you are satisfied with your edits, click on the Add to Website for Free button. Now, wait for it to load up and then close the Templates menu. Here, click on the Install button under the Widget menu and a pop-up menu will open up. Inside this menu, you will see Embed Code and a Share link. Simply switch to the Link tab and copy it. Now, get back to the Canva website and paste the copied link. You can also customize the reviews page to your liking and then publish the website when you are ready. So that's basically how you can add Google reviews to your Canva website. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.